This is Introduction to Hebrew, Lesson 6, the definite article. In this lesson, we're going to cover the information contained in pages 49 through 54 of the Basics of Biblical Hebrew Charts PDF file, and pages 23 through 24 of the Charts of Biblical Hebrew workbook. You'll also want to check out Hebrew Vocab 2 video and the Hebrew Vocabulary PDF file associated with that video. Like English nouns, Hebrew nouns can be definite or indefinite. If we say the king, it is definite. If we say a king, that is indefinite. Hebrew nouns usually become definite by adding he, pathak, and a dagesh forte to the first consonant of a noun. However, there are many exceptions to this general rule. In the chart below, we see two Hebrew terms to illustrate this general rule. The first term is melech, and it means a king. It is indefinite. The second term is hammelech. It means the king. It has a he, pathak, and dagesh forte in the first consonant of the word melech. It is a doubling dagesh, therefore the mem is doubled, and you have hammelech. If a noun begins with the guttural letter aleph, resh, or ayin, the dagesh forte drops out, and the pathak lengthens to a kametz. In the chart below, we have two Hebrew terms. The first is ish. It is indefinite, and it refers to a man. The second term is ha-ish. It is definite and refers to the man. Notice that the pathak has lengthened to a kametz under the initial he. If a noun begins with the guttural letter he or chet, the dagesh forte drops out, but the pathak doesn't lengthen to a kametz. In the chart below, we see two Hebrew terms. Chekal, which means a palace, is indefinite. Ha-chekal is definite, and it refers to the palace. Notice that the initial chet does not have the doubling dagesh forte. If a noun begins with ayin and kametz, he and kametz, or chet and kametz, the dagesh forte drops out and the pathak changes to a sagol. In the chart below, you'll see two Hebrew terms. The first is chakam, which refers to a wise man. It is indefinite, and he-chakam, the wise man, which is definite. If a noun begins with yod and shiva, or mem and shiva, the dagesh forte usually drops out, but the pathak doesn't change. And so in the chart below, you'll see yeladim, which refers to boys. It is indefinite, and heladim, which is definite, refers to the boys. While other possible forms exist, the basic idea is to look for an initial he with a pathak, kametz, or sigol prefixed to the beginning of a noun. An online Hebrew lexicon or interlinear will usually indicate if a noun is definite or not.